Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove the fuel filler door on a third-generation Hyundai Santa Fe. This method is quick, simple, and doesn't require disassembling any additional parts. I'll also show you exactly how the fuel door is designed on the inside, so you can clearly understand how the locking mechanism works. Once you see the internal structure, removing and reinstalling the fuel door will be much easier. So, let's get started. First, open the fuel filler door. Then unscrew the fuel cap so it doesn't get in the way while we're working. Next, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or any similar thin tool that can be used to press the retaining clip. Take a close look at this area. Insert the screwdriver right here and gently press down on the plastic tab. At the same time, use your other hand to apply a little upward pressure on the top of the fuel door. You don't need to use much force. As soon as you press the clip, you'll hear or feel it release, and the fuel door will pop right out. Just like that, it's removed. Now let's take a closer look at the inside. As you can see, the fuel door is held in place by two plastic locking tabs that snap into the body of the vehicle. That's why pressing on this specific clip allows the entire fuel door to come out so easily. Here's a better look at the inside of the fuel door. Now you can clearly see why it's important to press in this exact spot. Once you understand how the locking mechanism works, removing the fuel door only takes a few seconds without damaging any of the plastic clips. To reinstall it, simply reverse the process. Align the tabs with their mounting points, push the fuel door back into place, and press firmly until you hear a click. Finally, check that it opens and closes smoothly and is securely locked in position. And that's it. As you can see, removing the fuel filler door on a third-generation Hyundai Santa Fe is a very quick and easy job once you know where the retaining clip is located and how it works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Hyundai Santa Fe repair and DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.